this is amazing. Hey guys, I'm Millie, and today I'm going to be doing a saddle swap with Lorcan, and I'm going to be teaching him what I know about show jumping, while he teaches me how to go around the gallops on Linda here, who is actually a Cheltenham winner, so I'm really excited to be riding her today.
So we've got a towel underneath the pads, so when they have so then it just keeps the pads clean basically.
Cleaner. Yeah.
And these get changed every lot.
You're quite tall, Linda. How is it that I'm 5'2" and I got the taller horse? Let's go, Linda. Oh, this is amazing. It literally feels like I'm on the beach.
Yeah, it's deep, isn't it?
Yeah. That was so fun.
Yeah, she's good. She didn't fall off anyway, so
yeah,
right.
I'm still on. How long were you filming in that series for Full Gallop?
So we done like a half day in the morning down at Jeremy Scott's racing.
Yeah.
And then that was okay, because, well, no, it was good actually, because it's more like natural environment. There's a lot of people involved, but hopefully we can, because there's some great characters in the weighing room, so hopefully we can get that across. 2, 3.
Oh, you went on 3, I was going to go after 3. Oh, we're straight into it, okay. Oh. Well, he knows what he's doing. That was so good. Woo!
A bit long there.
Oh, he's lost his reins.
What do you reckon then, Mel?
Yeah, that was 10 out of 10. I thought you said you hadn't done it for 6 years.
I haven't.
That was awesome, and he's such a lush horse.
He's cool, isn't he?
Isn't he?